morning, class second. Yesterday we have done some exercise and today is the time for do another exercise. As you can see in the screen, that is word by word, and I think all of you are having your books now. You have taken old books, isn't it? And if not, then please take it from somewhere, and if you are not getting, then in this you can download the books option is there to download the books, and you can download it. All right, so your next exercise is word by word. Okay, now let's see what it's written further. Read these pairs of naming words in the table. What you have to do, we have to just read these words which are given here in this table. Can you see it? Column A and column B, there is a table. Okay, so in short we can say that opposite it is written. Let's see: men, woman, boy, girl, horse, mare. Okay, and then it's drake, duck. All right, so you can say that the name of the males are given in A column and female names are given in your B column, isn't it? Can you see it? So what we have to do, we have to just read these words aloud. We have to just learn it. Okay, so start learning. Men, women, boy, girl, horse, mare, horse, then drake, duck. Okay, all right, so drake is your male form of a duck. Okay, we will read it again and please repeat after me to learn it. Okay, yes. Man, woman, boy, girl, horse, mare, drake, duck, drake, duck. All right, yes, we will repeat it again. Can you see it in this column A and column? Yes, can you see this? In A column, the name of male are there, male, and in B column, the names of females, or you can say female, or in simple words, in simple language, you can say that opposite are given here. What is given? Opposite. So we will repeat this 5-6 times, and I hope by repeating 5-6 times you will learn it, right? So men, woman, men, woman, boy, girl, boy, girl, horse, mare, horse, mare, horse, mare, drake, duck, drake, duck, drake, duck. It's not drake, my mistake, it's drake, drake, duck, drake, duck, drake. All right, we will repeat it again. So man, woman, man, woman, man, woman, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, horse, mare, horse, mare, horse, mare, drake, duck, drake, duck, drake, duck. All right, we should repeat it again, I think. Yes, yes. Man, woman, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman, man. So boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, horse, mare, horse, mare, horse, mare. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. So once again, yes, man, woman. Man, woman. Man, woman. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. Okay, so what's written next means what is written further, we will read it. All the naming words in column A are males. Okay, I have told you before that all the words which are in column A, that these words are male, males. Okay, all the words which are in column A are males. See, can you see it? All the words which are in column A are males. Yes, the words which are in column A are, can you see this? I've drawn it in a column, and the words which are in column A are males. Okay, so man, boy, horse, drake. Man, boy, horse, drake. Man, boy, horse, drake. What are they? They are your male words, right? Now we will look for the female male words. Okay, yes, so here this column B, can you see it? Sorry, yes, here, isn't it? It's column B, and these are your female words. So what we have to do, we have to read further what it is written. All the all the naming words in column B are females, means the words which are given in column B are females, and the words which are given in column A are males. So these are the name of the males. This yes, man, boy, horse, drake. These are the name of the whose name it is? It's the name of a male, right? And if we will look in column B, yes, can you see it? So these are the name of the female. We will read it: woman, girl, mare, duck. Woman, girl, mare, duck. Woman, girl, mare, duck. Woman, girl, mare, duck. What are these? These are the name of the females. Okay, these are the name of the female. Now what we will do, we will read it one by one, and we will take it is whether it's male or female. Yes, so woman, it's a male or a female? Yes, it's the name of a female. Okay, what we will do, we will take the name of a male and the name of a female. What we will do, we will tick. Okay, so and if the name of male will come, then we will make a cross over there. Okay, so woman, it's male or female? Yes, it's a, yes, woman, it's the name of a female. All right, so boy, it's the name of a male or female? Yes, it's the name of a male, so we will make a crossover here. Yes, your another one is mare, name of a male or female? Yes, it's the name of a female, so tick will come here. This is a kind of a exercise. All right, man, name of a male or a female? Yes, it's the name of a very good, it's the name of a male, right? So what we have to do, we will make a cross over there. This activity is not given to do, but this I have given to you by myself to do it, right? I have given you this exercise to tick or to cross, all right? So Drake, it's a name of a male or a female? Yes, it's the name of a male, so cross will come. Next, okay, girl, name of a male or female? Yes, it's the name of a female, so tick, all right? And last is your duck. It's the name of a male or a female? Yes, it's your female. And what about your horse, name of a male or a female? Yes, it's the name of your male, so cross, all right? Yes, sorry. Isn't it? So now I think sorry, that you understood the opposite words, the male and female, isn't it? Yes, so we will go further. What is next? Let's see. Yes, here it is. And what it is? Sorry. What it is? Choose the correct words from the box and complete the table. Now what you have to do? You have to choose the correct words from the box. Yes. Can you see this box? Yes. This box, can you see it? Yes. What you have to do, you have to select the words, you have to choose the words from this table or from this box. Can you see this box? You have to just choose the words from here, and then what you have to do, you have to fill it here in this blank portion. It's not blank, I filled it before so that it might be easy for us to do it, right? So yes, so your first word is lioness, cow, second word cow, third word aunt, fourth word grandmother, fifth word queen, sixth word hen, right? First word, again I'm repeating it, lioness, second word cow, third word aunt, fourth word grandmother, fifth word queen, sixth word hen, right? So can you see it? Here is your column given, your males and your females, right? And sorry, here also there were two columns. This was the column of male and this was the column of female, and same is here, right? So this is the column of males and this is the column of females. Now what we have to do, simply we have to select the words from this box. If you can see, yes, simply what we have to do, we have to just select the words from this box and we have to fill it here. So your very first word is uncle. What it is? Uncle, right here. Can you see it? What it's written? Uncle. So the opposite of uncle would be your aunt, isn't it? The opposite of uncle would be your aunt. So your second word is king, right? Can you see it? It's a king. And then obviously you have heard king, queen, right? So the opposite word or the female word for king is your queen, What it is? It's your queen. Can you see it? Yes. Now your third word is lion. And yes, your third word is lion. Sorry. Yes. Your third word is, yes, your third word is, as you can see here, it's lion. And the opposite or the female of lion is your lioness. What it is? Your lioness. What it is? Lioness. The opposite or the female word of lion is lioness. Yes. I hope you all can see it very clear. Yes. Now again we will look for the D number, that is your grandfather. You all know, and we have read it before. The opposite or the female of grandfather, can you see it? It's written grandfather. The opposite of grandfather is your grandmother. What it is? The opposite of grandfather, your grandmother, isn't it? Can you see it? Is it clear? Yes. And if you are having any doubt when your school will reopen, you can ask that time, right? Yes. So the opposite of your grandfather is your grandmother, isn't it? Yes. Can you see it? Yes. Now your next word, that is your E number word, is what it is? Your E number word, it's bull. Bull, right? E number bull. Can you see it? Yes, bull. So the opposite of bull is your cow. What it is? Cow. It's not clear, I think. No, it will be. Yes, the opposite of bull is your cow. The opposite of bull is cow. Now rooster, F number, can you see it? Rooster. So the opposite or the female word for your rooster is what it is? As we can see, it's hen. What it is? It's hen. Hen. Hen, isn't it? Can you see it? Yes. Now what we will do? We will repeat these words again, and you will repeat after me so that you can learn it, right? Isn't it easy? Yes. So males, males and females, males and females, right? So I will say the name of males. Yes. After that I will say the name of females, right? Yes. All right. So first, males. So uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, king, queen, king, queen, king, queen, king, queen, lion, lioness, lion, lioness, lion, lioness. All right. Your D number, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother. Sorry. Sorry. Bull, cow, bull, cow, bull, cow, bull, cow. Rooster, hen, rooster, hen, rooster, hen, rooster, hen. Okay, we will repeat it again, and after repeat it 2-3 times, what we will do, we will repeat your these words too here, right? We will repeat it. First we will repeat this, then we will go there. Okay, so yes, it's the kind of opposite, means the male names and the female names. And in your exams it can also come, write the opposite of the words. It's not important that I will write the right females of them. No, I can change the question and I can give you write the opposite of the words, right? So males and then females. So uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, king, queen, king, queen, king, queen, lion, lion, lioness, lion, lioness, lion, lioness, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, bull, cow, bull, cow, bull, cow, rooster, hen, rooster, hen, rooster, hen. Okay, so we will repeat it once again, and then we will go for your some, as I've told you, word by word. The starting word by word, that is man, woman, boy, girl, horse, mare, drake, dare, duck, sorry, drake, it's drake. Okay, and then your duck. But before that, let's go here, let's repeat it once again. Okay, uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, king, queen, king, queen, king, queen, lion, lioness, lion, lioness, lion, lioness, lion, lioness, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, bull, cow, bull, cow, bull, cow, bull, cow, rooster, hen, rooster, hen, rooster, hen, rooster, hen, rooster, hen, rooster. Now we will go in your first exercise. What we have learned, that is word by word. Read these pairs of naming words in the table. Okay, we will repeat it again, right? So men, women, men, women, men, women, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, horse, mare, horse, mare, horse, mare, mare, drake, duck, drake, duck, drake, duck, drake, duck. Now as it's written that these are the name of male and these are the name of the female, so we will go down. Yes, so choose the correct words from the box and complete the table. We have to choose the word from the box as I have explained you before, and then we have to fill this box. So what we will do, we will just repeat it. Uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, king, queen, lion, lioness, Alright, so grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, bull, cow, rooster, hen. Isn't it? We will repeat this once again. Okay? Uncle, aunt, king, queen, lion, lioness, grandfather, grandmother, bull, cow, rooster, hen. Yes. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me when your school will be reopened, right? So yes, and please learn your read your chapter, learn your word meanings, okay? And what else? Question answers, exercises, everything. And tomorrow we will do some other exercises, and that will be the end of your chapter, okay? Yes. Take care, be safe, stay at home.